What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. Some people, we have senseless and unique thing right now are the biggest most on social media. Everybody are give them opinion on the situation. We have King down here, we have Bookie. You know what I mean? A question senseless what really go on. We also have give senseless some advice about the situation. I'm share some of that with Uno yesterday, my people. And so I say, me I tell, like last night or you that say early this morning, but me I tell you, say some women have been hurt in their lifetime. So it's hard for really trust a next man. You see, and the simplest little thing with them see, like inconvenience certain way, where the man a put to heart, where the man cause them are gonna really react in a certain type of way, which way I know the man fault why they are that insecure. But them just a project what them been through in the past upon the man, and that not right. This what I say. I'm feel say that with the unique situation. You know what I mean? Because she been hurt before and take for idiot. Even her baby father, I think she and him deal and him left for a while, she pregnant or something. So a whole heap of things she have buckled up in her. You see what I say? So we are go here what Bookie and Donia them have to say, and also she have to say, you see me, I guess the lion man also my people in a local situation, me I go make him talk what go down, you know what I mean? Because but I don't know what go on with people. I tell you say, yo, TikTok can be a nice place and it can be a very, very serious place. So you have to watch what you do. You know what I mean? And we have a lot more other things. We have Brit and Zozo, my people. Persons I say like Zozo, he really use Brit in a way where them don't like, cause him have to cuss Brit to get whatever gift him want get and something, and them say them don't like it. Even him himself come address it and I say, yo, him have to do that to get gift. I say him have to survive. And my people, me can't judge nobody. Anything what them want to do, them do. You see me I say? Because at the end of the day, him kind of take up Brit from which one Brit did there. You know what I mean? Everybody forget about Brit mash right up and just a steer out of space. You see me when she up on her live. You see me? Him bring her to which part she there right now. So whatever them have to do for entertainment, at the end of the day, entertainment, my people. Because I know say the dog love Brit. I know say Brit love G. But let me know what other things still. So here we go on, my people. We're going to get E-Night. Maybe add more things as we go on. And maybe left out something out of the intro. But definitely I'm going to see in that video. So make we get E-Night.
Tomorrow my grandfather's funeral. Man dead, not even one little congratulations. Nobody not tell me nothing. Me say, me can't wait till somebody drop out. Me now say nothing to no. More say, I say I go. That's all. Only serious, sir. Where is on? On a blood clot too. You know want people help on no more, but when I my time and I'm more. God, that's strong. Kind of like a concept. I kind of really like it now. senseless, learn off of your mistake then. And next time, learn off of your mistake and don't make certain things catch you again. And I tell him this, I send out a message to senseless. Anybody want to hate me feet, hate me feet. Senseless, always remember this, yeah. I tell you this key thing I will remember. Remember say you're vulnerable. Remember say you're vulnerable. You understand? Remember say you what? Vulnerable. You're claiming the head say fish there, but you're there in the water too. Oh, you get the message already?
Wait a second, I'm here for the message.
You talk about fish and you over here through a blood clot fishing pole. Master man, hold on boy. What are that? Me I tell you, remember say you don't have a chick or a child or a care in this world. Always remember that. Never you forgot that. Never you. And just sit down and wait if you come and go forward. What you do? You can't let me down the road.
Alright, brother. Me there watching me dog. And condolence for your grandfather thing, bro. You hear that?
Yeah.
Alright, father, big up.
I say mosquito will kill me up here. I forgot about it. Say, you know this trial? I'm gonna hit. I must have Jesus. I must have Jesus. My burdens alone. Jesus. Life not so serious. Series on the fifth. Series on the fifth, everybody. What happened last night? I left my phone when I halfway reached my destination and I never turn back. And I got my grandfather wake, see my family, them, my friends and everybody, and I must book back, circle back, come back home. See dirty bookie, I'm telling you something I see him last night. Get back in page.
Yo!
You get back your page.
Aye! What you doing, man?
Listen. Take a sense in a quicksand.
What you mean? Hold on. I can close this door. Too much noise outside. I need to hear properly. Hold on, I close this door.
They said them get senseless in a quicksand. Nearly most we not see him back.
What?
Quicksand, I want something where they in a...
You think?
Good neck.
I beg your pardon?
If I never be me team member, them ain't gone.
Alright, my people, just tell me what you think in the comment section. And hear me I say, you know, you see any situation like this, my people, we start out that way, you better you just cut it off and make it stay which part it there, and don't go no further with the situation, because hear me say it now go change. Woman like that, you can't change them, and man will stay so, you can't change them neither. So nobody feel like say you can do all of the right things them and make them feel secure in themselves. No. Yes, what I said, them have to work out that with themselves, heal themselves and learn to trust again. Any woman like that where you see so insecure, you know what I mean, and ready for the simplest thing, create an argument, and also it work with man too. Just know say fill out a relationship there, cause it will stress you out. So let me know what you think and make you watch some more.
My God.
Because he team team now, team is a team like this. You know why people stand there just watch out put on you know sing and a scream and a white people.
Pull him out.
Nothing there now do.
My Lord. Poor senseless.
Okay, you know respect, you find
just relax yourself and carry it right here. Just relax yourself and leave it alone. Please, we're not gonna take this over here. Please.
Alright, bet. This thing you don't hear most of the situation.
Me no hear ya fill me up right now.
Nobody not tell me now see me see it.
Me no see it. Send me to scream at me go take in the car.
I just scroll right now. Alright, let me get my foot.
So when do or what happen? When are your pitch shot?
He might go on date and have no money. Why them I wear your picture?
People chew me go say feel mean, but you know what I mean? Me mean say me make me know what go on. And that me mean Jesus Christ, me mouth slop. Me mouth slop. Sorry about that shot. Sorry about that chat. I make a mistake. So when you say who not having food? Senseless and no bread?
Where senseless to get money from?
Well, I put in the work, so you have money sometime.
Brother, me a senseless and you do the same thing. Where we get money from? Well, tell me which part.
We don't have no real food. Where we get
food? You go and too much money where we are get.
So you never use the Carol, Monique. What's your name?
Me don't know nobody, you know. No senseless. You want me add him?
Yes.
Call him chat. Tell him say Boki a chat to him. No.
Yes.
Emergency. Call him.
Yeah.
Make it put up him up. Call him.
Let me get him there for me, please. She don't want food. Who want food?
No, at least if you can buy girl food, you know.
Yeah, if you full up them good.
What the hell want going at them belly? You have to buy them food.
Yeah, that's what me say.
Are you going, bro? Nothing around with
Senseless.
Yo.
How are you doing, man? How are you doing, man?
I'm good, bro.
What's the latest update? I see you with your strong body. Wagwan.
Yo, we don't wish to talk about it, bro. Just a look at thing good on, bro.
Please, me want to hear. Just please, me want to hear a little bit.
Okay, I know more about that, bro. You see me? But I just a look at thing good on, bro. But me never turn up. You see me, bro? And she didn't want to go out or something, bro. Then me end up that go grab a seafood boil, bro, and it just cause problem, bro.
So she never want seafood boil?
Bro, me just let her off back, bro, and then me go on my ways, bro. What do me at it, bro? You see, bro, but he never free to far, bro. Me just fishing if you talk about it, bro. So,
I'm sorry to say, but we have to talk a little about it. What's
yeah, me not have no problem, man. Only do it, bro. But no, me not have much to say, bro.
So what me want to know? It was something that was really serious. 1 minute. Me I talk about two senseless. Me soon come. Women want said no senseless. Yana was serious.
No, bro. Bro, we did get one there, bro. From there, so the whole thing just escalate, bro. Me and I never serious, bro. No time, bro.
I don't drive, you know?
Escalate.
When you drive in an escalate, boy! You didn't drive in an escalate. I don't drive in a boat.
Come on, fight him.
Me not make no fun of it, but listen. But you feel like it was gonna work?
No, bro.
This is a learning process here.
I just say, man, I just want that entire, bro.
Learning process in that guy.
Since I tell you something about why I don't really take certain things serious. I get raped when I was 5.
Yeah, I'm gonna take them down now. You hear chat?
I get raped when I was 5.
I'm gonna take them down. I'm take them.
But they did that.
Bookie, a dirty boy. Bookie.
Tell them that. Tell them.
Sir.
And another part of life. We may do so without you have to come out here and still, you know, put on a persona of ripping him down any further. We can do it. All right. But you have a reputation, and you hold this to your kids. You understand? You don't want them, your kids, to come and hear the mother ripping their father. Don't go in that. Don't go in that highlight. You understand what I'm saying? Don't make your kids hear that type of way. Then him do fine. I know that it hurts. I know that it hurts. But try as much as possible to hold it for your betterment, for your kids, and respect for your family members and those who still respect you. You nor nobody else can stop us from saying what we want to say. Because best believe it. Me personally, not done with it. But for you, leave it alone. Respectful.
I me say I leave it alone.
Just leave it alone. No better the world and the media see you as the same as him and saying all kind of derogative things about him.
Exactly.
Remember your baby them. Remember your baby them. And they will have, if they don't have access to the internet, they will to social media. You don't want them here, you behave some type of way. You understand, Mr. Sweet Lady? So please refrain from it. Alright? Let the public bash him. Let the public beat him. Alright? We would do that, you not do it.
Okay, fine.
I sympathize with you. I love you. Like I love all of the women. For those who don't know me, of course. For those who don't know me, and I know a lot of you, I know a lot of persons out here know me. Barakard, a lot of people know Barakard. I'm an advocate for women. I sympathize with what you're going through. Truly sympathize with what you're going through. But we're not talk about it. We're not going at it. We don't want to discuss it. We're not asking a question. We don't tell me about it. Left you alone. We're not trying going at that. Alright? Greater days are coming. And we are going to do as much as we can do to ensure that that happens for you.
Okay, fine. No problem.
Alright, baby girl, Jetty?
Yeah, man. Alright, cool. Thank you for your concern.
One love, always, Jetty. Big up your team. Team Jetty. You want to big up on yourself.
People. But I tell you no lie still, you know. TikTok boss, you must feel it, you know, people. Yeah, man, you must feel the punch them, man, or the pinch where them would want to say. You see me, after the effect, and baby mother come out, you know what I mean, expose him feel it, man. And me know, say, right now, him wish, say, him never did run her out, and him did, like, do more things for her. You see me, I say? Because them say, hell at no fury than a woman's scar, you know. You see me, I say, and this woman, yeah, she been by his side for the longest while. As me said in a previous video, me don't know how them relationships stay. If I saw them toxic and him never used to do much for her and him just get the bus, you know, and get the highlight and we start see it. You know what I mean? But me want to tell me what you think in the comment section what the man has said to her. Because if she come every day and try to bring him down or something, eventually people maybe I got turn upon her too. You know what I mean? Let me know what you think.
Love you know, and keep on embrace her, keep on support her. In times like this, ladies, gonna be a sister's keeper. In times like this, be a sister's keeper right now. Alright? But don't Jetty.
Alright, cool.
Big up yourself, Jetty.
Alright, big up.
Heart of love.
Alright, cool. Yeah, one love. Charlie! See your friggin' face are full of hair.
Man, you can't do anything, man.
Where's it? Charlie, watch your fucking face a change, you know? Watch him.
No, me I say what Del.
See how yes, I'm looking at your face.
But me not see Del what man? No, yo me alone. After this step, you go inbox you and give you my number, right?
Yes, inbox me, Charlie.
Just I go tell us I'm done with you.
Yeah, inbox me.
Just I go tell us I'm done with
You go on
you.
Del. Del, when me come here,
Me done
I
with
go
brother.
link up, man. See me I say?
Brother, me say me done with you. And when you drop a yard?
Laugh, you see?
August.
Yeah, there. So Cliff now there August, man.
August. So that would have been the right link up. I don't know say Cliff are there.
Yes,
You know,
them are coming
obviously,
August,
you know, see Cliff in
spend
what,
1 month.
15 years. 15 years in
Yeah.
Cliff.
Him did want come
Yeah.
December, but me tell him say true we just put on daddy, you know, but I come December, so me tell him say if you just make it still in
Yeah,
August,
yeah.
just do that.
Yeah. I want to see you upon a black there in a Kissing Town.
No, long
At
years.
23 years, me below San live at Central Village, Windsor Heights.
Oh my. So,
Jetty. What, man?
so George, where's there?
You go. I'm
Ah, yeah,
some
we
man
talk
problem,
then,
I'm
yeah.
not to answer.
Yeah.
Inbox me.
Yeah, man problem.
Yeah. All right. Bless
no
up,
man
bless up.
problem.
All right. Yeah.
She not no man
All
problem.
right. We'll link up.
All right, we link up.
Hello, Queen.
What a woman. So I don't know what you say. Who we over here call dog? Who we over here call dog? So I know one dog. Oh, if you call it puppy, it is a dog. And that him beat up. He come like, yo, if you're not a fan of Junior and you don't know his story, go man, you can't come over here come talk, man. Yeah, see. Man beat up Jetty for a dog. Man dog out a door, he beat up Jetty for. So if you never hear, now you know. Jetty when go walk his dog and then talk one part, say one part thing and he beat up Jetty. Yo, first of all, he never feel like Jetty none at all. Second of all, he can't this Jetty for one little gas pan. Jetty call the girl. Gas pan. You shouldn't beat up Jetty for no girl. Cause right there, so the very fact that you bring in the girl, not even a day after you run out Jetty. You can't run your baby mother, man. Hey, think that boss, how you do? What if you run out Jetty? You mad? Brother, how if you run out the woman will kill your youth them? Eh? How you beat up the woman will give your kids them, bro? How you go beat up the woman in front of them, pitney them, bro? I want to know how women support these behaviors and like it's okay. How okay? That's why I don't like come over here, you know? I don't like come over here because I just feel like the people them over here so it's just a bag of shit. I don't like come over TikTok anymore. Because I support some behavior sometimes I have to wonder if you're not civilized. What one spicy? Sometimes I wonder if you're not civilized. Honestly. Sometimes I wonder if you're not civilized. Some behavior we don't support over here. So sometimes I wonder if you're not civilized. Now a man beat up him baby mother and run around in the middle of the night. right? Run her out of the house in the middle of the night and the next day have a next girl over there. The woman will sit down and take care of her pitney them. The woman will sit down and take care of her kids them. The woman will give him pitney. Right? Just because the woman say you suck pussy and have AIDS. So if you depend your son and chat up with transgender, I will not throw no shades, but me see a share platform where a transgender come on. The woman just say the woman say you suck pussy and the woman say you have AIDS and you beat the woman so. Beat up the woman and run out the woman. Junior, what me really want to tell you, me can't tell you now because me have to hold a level of respect, but you disrespect the woman, man. For real, Malvo, you disrespect the woman, brother. You can't put out your baby mother in the middle of the night, bro.
Alright, my people, I'm asking this question. I'm saying, do you guys think TikTok boss lose a screw? Tell me in the comment section if you think TikTok boss lose a screw. Because I do think so, because when him do no normal, you know what I mean, I lose enough normal man do them fooling shit.
Put out the baby mother in the middle of the night, run out the woman out of the house, and come on TikTok. Yo, enough of them boy, enough to get no audience when they do fuckery, you know. Excuse me language, you know. I'm kind of in a mood this morning, you know. Well, it's like, oh, and police boy just give me 2 tickets. Hey, some of them boy enough to get no audience on TikTok, you know. Because me not understand how you beat up your baby mother and come out as a chat about you and you get an audience. If you beat up your baby mother and come and talk about you and get an audience. And when you run on the woman in the middle of the night, you tell your parents, you tell your mother and your sisters if you not put her up. So where you want the woman go, bro? That means you don't even care about the woman well-being. You don't care if anything happens to the woman in the middle of the night when you run her out. Junior, you're a wicked man. Junior, you're wicked. Yeah, man. Tell me more. Mama, me soon call you back. Alright. How you do that? How you beat up the woman, bro? Over one dog? How you beat up your woman over one dog? You not grind the dog. You not grind the dog. The dog not cook for you. The dog now take care of your pitney them. Make sure they go to school, make sure they hear plot, make sure they get food. TikTok boss, you will see come on live, come and eat food with Jetty cook for you. Are you come and big up your baby mother much time and you beat her? No, bro. We not rate you. We not rate the TikTok boss. Your ratings drop. Your ratings drop, brother. You can't beat up Jetty over here. Can't beat up Jetty, youth. If you do that, woman, one of them, if you stand up for something, man. If you don't stand up for something, man, you fall for everything. I have some little loose girl about the place. Some little loose butter ears girl about the place. I want to beat up on a real baby mother where I take care of the pitney over. Some little loose girl. Some little loose girl where can't even wash them in front. Little pitney them. Some little loose girl about the place and them want to beat up on the pitney mafia. Eh? You have beat up your baby mother over one little loose 22-year-old girl. We can't wash her front good. We have to come on TikTok and a kiss and a hide face. Bro, you been where you want to leave Jetty too. So I can never tell Jetty if you go on. We never tell the girl to go on instead of you humiliate the girl on TikTok, youth. I can never tell the girl to go on instead of you humiliate the girl on TikTok, bro. But you tell Jetty if you go on, dog. But the intelligence have to go on, youth. But yeah, you humiliate the girl on TikTok, bro. This is this jetty on TikTok, youth. This jetty on TikTok, bro, and everybody over here play on like a fun thing. I want to come over here so he that with the foolish, you know, and then him go dark, him go dark and illiterate behind it. Yo, bro, me begs, man. V, me not tell a lie now. You know, so when I time me say me go do a content, Miss J, what go on? You know, so when I time me say me go do a content because me I say to myself, say me like how Junior and him baby mother can come on TikTok and run joke and they always a run joke and they laugh and me I say, yo, boom, you know what, we not see no couple with them on TikTok where the woman and the man a run joke and they enjoy themselves, you know what I mean? Everybody will normally come on TikTok, one come and the next no come. You see me I say? Me like that. But my friend, visit the man beat up the woman. Bro, what you beat up the woman for? And then you bring in one like a butter years after. How you do that, youth? And then come over, come make it look like, hey, yeah, come on. Yo, let me see the video. Let me see the video with the man. Me surprised. Me surprised when me see the man and say, he run out, jet out and when me see, yo. Someone over here, so yo, me say, I true no know. Someone over here, so no don't even know the people they want to play with on a daily basis. So no know the nastiness. Some of them people how them go on. You know the nastiness of them people and them on this people for every day. When come over here, so I don't know. So them people when they over here, so I play with every day, nasty and dirty. Some of them white people they wanna play with, you know. And them gonna show respect, and the people them in the house no can't show respect. You can't show jetty respect, but you can show some dirty TikToker respect. So look at dirty drunk over here, them you show respect and can't show jetty. Pussy a jetty if you show respect. You see me get upset all this morning. You see if you want Junior ever make me get upset over your feet this morning. Hey Junior, you see you? All of the man them when me see all I know where I play, but we no different anyway. Because what me see is that anytime nobody do not know over here, it is okay. When you still play with them and make it look like there's nothing wrong. Like me not say no can't stand up and say, yo boom, why are the bro, you're wrong. You can't beat up a baby mother. Me 6 up on one screen with him, me 6 I say, so quick? What means so quick?
Alright, my people. Well, really not really tell the lie still, because enough of them people out there on TikTok where the people them are match with them are the worst thing. You know what I mean? Some of them are the worst thing. You see me? And I tell them show respect more to the people them where they meet on TikTok than enough of the people in them household. You see it? But on the level of my people, TikTok boss, him wrong for the way him do. You see what I say? Him kinda make the ego get the best time and the money and them something there. But me I go show you advice with people. Although as me say, me don't know them before the money and the fame, so me don't know if I saw him used to deal with her them time there or him change since the money come around. But you are going with people. Seeing TikTok boss him say boy him now go hungry if people stop support him and this and that and ray. You see me? Well, me not doubt him. Right now him good in a life. But me I go tell you something. You see sometimes the main income where make you get everything else. You see when that cut off my people and you have to depend on something else for the main income, you have to feel the expense and you have to feel how it is to run a successful business. You know what I mean? Him never do that yet. Where the main income cut off and him have to run the business and make the money and fix back vehicle and all them something there. So him don't know how long all of this are gonna last or if it are gonna last forever. You see me? So him to secure the main income same way. You see it, although him can't secure that if the people them want left still.
If you tell the man say, yo bro, if you beat up a baby mother, What kind of idiot vibes that? How if you beat up a woman?
Whoa.
Kitty got near more to dirty mama girl. Thinking dirty girl, boy, you know, like me give a fuck if I want like me thinking dirty girl. Got near more to ma. Thinking only that so good girl. Got near mama. Thinking dirty dog, you know, long more with you. Boy, you know, like a boy, another boy. Got near more to mother girl. Why you like me? If you move over there, thought now. Kill up yourself for the boy. Boy, you don't like me. That's should be like a dog. Everything have to deal with money, so you want to come up front. You like angle people money. If you look at money for collect, you want up front. You want up front with it. You want up front with it. You want up front with money. When it come out to money topic, you feel what?
If I kill everyone, people kill me, youth. Some wicked bumbo will not be dog. Me I tell you, sit down over here every day, youth. I don't know what I do. I don't know exactly what I do, my dead man. Believe me, dog. Yeah, I did, my dog.
Then a boy go hold it, you know. Me and you same spot in a master.
Boy, and today again, the man they started today again, bro.
Again?
Man, over YouTube, all you do over YouTube. Man, them say man deadly for must trap, give me. Yes.
Man deadly shot, give me too.
Me, no, you, me. I say man deadly for must trap, give me and me a run place and all of them, bro. Bro, me don't know what me do to them about buckler people here, youth.
That's right, bro.
I want me have too much car and bad man, me don't know, bro. Bro, me don't know, brother. Me I tell you God, a wicked set of buckler people let me ever come across, youth. Over my view, somebody I will sleep, me and sleep and somebody just wait me and say, yo, me there over my view. And people are some wicked bumper all you. That me I kill no one police or man can kill me, bro. That don't know makes dog. And we can bet say if you check your ration and no stranger do it. Well, alright, so you. I made you know dog. People are some blood clot.
Gaffer.
Yo.
I talk to you already now, bro. I don't know if you do already now, dog.
Dog, them alright in a dog. They don't know me already in a dog. So them free to do what they want to do, you know, bro. Them free to do what they want to do, bro. That's all me have to say, dog.
Knock up there.
I do cry, man. Guidance for dog.
Guidance, bro.
Yeah.
It is such a way make man do me things. And you should not send them come. You know, send them come, man. Go near more to your ma. About your ma. Don't you that, girl. Go near more to your ma. Anytime you see me, you better allow me alone, man. I want you. Go near more to your ma. Don't you that, girl. I want you. Send anybody where you want to go send now, no. Send them come now. Eat that, girl. Go near more to your ma. I want you. Me see up on the FYP, you know. I couldn't talk about you not like that boy, yeah. Me give a fuck if you like me. A girl go near my dirty mama. You know your mother. You can't go near my road. Me don't know mine. And I know what you do with skull in your belly. Me know a skull in your belly, you know. Me know a skull in your belly. Around 5 skull in your belly. This skull way in your belly, we're not going to take that out. You walk with rascal graveyard.
I want to come in an argument with me. Me depend my view.
Next topic, OSCP. Pay a gunman money to kill Jayden. $1 million upon Jayden. Clansman them a look for him everywhere road. And that's why Jayden a pay a change Airbnb every week or every month. Because gunman a look for him for murder him because other TikToker. People, I not have to call the TikToker name who a pay the gunman them, you know. The whole of them already know that, you know. A regular wanna call up him name say him a man, you know. So see it here. Killers them boy are weak and gunman them boy them not care who you are no more. This are not back in the days when gunman and Batman nah link, but now gunman and Batman are friend. Gunman are
People want to tell more the thinking in the comment section cause boy the man them depend the thing that something them the thing them a chat about the lion man and also gaffer. You see me I say I'm want to tell more the thinking in the comment section if you don't feel like say this man here where I talk with him attack if him credible or what. Because them we see a little thing I go on and just take it up and talk about it in more people. You see me I say but the lion man and a walk over to him having people them where he link with to more people. You see me I say me 100% sure say him having people them where he link with too. Him and a walk over. You understand me I say? So me want to tell me what you think in the comment section. You see me I say? Because this look how we are still. Although it can't nothing can no go so still. You see me? But I know what to think my people. I can watch some more.
Moving forward. A real life thing I'm going to happen. Is it? A real life thing I'm going to happen, bro. Real life. Ika, she look good. Hey, boy, no bother trouble, no girl over here. Hey, baby, no bother trouble. Don't trim my beard, come on, don't trim my beard, come on. Don't trim my beard, fella. Come on.
At the end of the day, you understand me? So don't call my fucking phone. And I don't need you to call my phone in a middle of night pan video call, because guess what? What that I gonna do? What that I gonna do? Your bitch need, look here, you see a woman, your woman need to like to put you underneath some type of control. Do not call my phone. Alright? And that's my message to you. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much for that. Thank you for the compliment. That's my message to you. Do not call my phone. You understand me? People like me, where you sit on the media, leave me the hell alone. You understand? Me not take no call. No, what me do? Listen, you see when him call my phone, me did that somewhere at the time when him call my phone, right? Me never did the home. But when me come to Boobson and them a call my phone in a middle of night pan video call, me didn't wonder who. You understand? Because me say, who the number here? You get me? Remember, you know, me block him pan a number, you know. Me block him pan the number when me know. So this number, me now go know who, right? So me come to Boobson and keep on a video call me, so me not answer the video call. And afterward, the person side of me laugh, because like the person pick up and see the name. And me look down and see him, right? Him come back again and I call me on video call. Next him send me message. And him send me a message yesterday again. Yesterday him send me a message again. You understand? And that in the last part, that's the number answer and tell him to get the fuck off of my phone. Excuse my language, me no want them block me. Come off of my phone. Don't call me, no text me, no nothing. You understand? And when you talk, these are the things where you have to sit down and talk to people. Tell the people them the truth. You don't never hear that man walk me out and tell one under the truth. And all of una suck up feet. Show the message. Me this girl show the message. Me this girl him send the message them in a one view. Him send the message them in a one view. His message him put them in a one view. Hold on there. Can you act like you're blind? Him put the message them in a one view. Did the video call 12 o'clock. See that 12 a.m. Girl, nobody not to tell no lie. Nobody not to tell no lie. Right? I don't know. 12 did here. Yankee. Call him number. Who is this? This is what I said. I said, who is this?
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section, because enough man no learn when it comes to woman, you know. It's when we are think when it comes to we want some crutches, we are think with the head we down this, you know, not the one with the top, you know. You see me? So here we go on. Yankee shouldn't think about to go back this or afterward this a woman you are doing. You understand me? But here I go on. We as man are just one thing we want when we want it. And we tunnel vision. We don't think about nothing until we broke. And then we come to our senses. Zine, here we go on now. I see one little animated thing one time. Zine with a superman and a superwoman. Zine, a man I look the superwoman and a woman I look the superman. And the superman tell her, say, no, you can't get me because the power is too much for you. You see me, you might unalive whatever. The woman say, okay, and turn away. Right? The man I look the superwoman, and the superwoman tell him, say, you can't because the power might be too much for you. Maybe you're unalive. You know what you see next? A tombstone you see next. You see me, the man still go run up in the woman and end up get unalive. You see it, so that for sure say man we not think with we head. You know what I mean? The one with the on top where they want some crutches. So let me know what you think the people.
Yeah, it depend delete. Appears them delete it. Yeah, that is West right here. So me delete my message. See him call down here. So go down here. So me go for the other message. Call the number. Yeah, that is what they say to no. Call the number. Call the number. There's a number. Brand new number. So the other message here where him delete. So him send the 2 message them and them delete them. So these are the other 2 message and them delete them. Call the number. I'm not hiding nobody's number. I not hide nobody number. I better know you know say don't call my phone. Bet. I not hide nobody number. I not hide nobody number. That will make you know do not call my phone. Girl, I don't want you when none of office said, all pound you say hypocrite. I don't want you nothing. You see me? So when I not fast with nobody, I don't want nobody fast with me. When I not fast with a person, I don't want nobody fast with me. I don't want you see me, I don't want you have nothing to say about me. Call the number. Yeah, I don't want to argue with you, so I'd rather block you. Have a good day. I don't care. Call the number. And see who you get on the other end. That I want to know too. I want to know the question why you are call me. Or why you are call me in a night on video call. Why are you calling me? Why you send me a message at the end of the day? You understand? So call the number.
And it look like hard life I take fuck. Me don't know.
That one money done.
My friend and my lover, but life did look hard. Like she didn't have no choice but to lay down take cock.
Oh gosh.
Never like it. And then Annie look like she did a plant farm, like in the group of one farmhouse.
Gotcha.
How would Annie? It's me. Yankee, they say you're calling down Annie phone still.
Calling down any phone. Listen, I sent one call and I was told it was the reason why I had to do that. You feel me? That was it.
You calling down? You miss Annie, man.
No, man. I don't miss that call. I don't miss that. I was she was going crazy at one point. So I was like, okay, let me give her a call. But that was it. I ain't text. I saw her the text.
During the time.
Yeah. But I saw her the video that I got sent. That they sent to me. I sent it there. I said, damn, for real? That's crazy.
Oh, when she was, crying and all that.
Yeah, that was it. So why, like, man?
That was after I told you to reach out to her, or you had reached out to her before?
Yeah, no, that was after the fact.
That's not bad then. Check up on her.
It was just it was one call, and we ain't talk or nothing.
Gloves, protect me 9, me level streaks.
That's it. That you pop.
I don't even know what to wear tonight, bro. Like, King, you could have stopped me. I get somebody to watch ice. Chat, gloves, legs.
I look so. No, girl, nothing. And this those straight from the pine. When the party keep, so a power K, rap pum, come out and say she make her money and she blood clot happy. Lie, people. Lies. People must swear by everything when I love. Can't make no money at the party, people. Can't make no money at the party. There's somebody working at the bar bus up. Everything tell me. There's somebody bust it up, tell somebody and the people and come tell me. It's a turtle of phone card me send God Jamaica go give somebody. And me get everything when we want the blood clot here. No money. You don't have a college fund for Paris. You need to come out and speak the truth. Come and show John Public say you have a college fund for Paris. First is doing that. People share trick uno a Jamaica because uno don't know the American system. Me not have a blood clot slim, but at least me never go up on a table. Me not have a address uno no, cause me know never come for blood clot me. Me not have a blood clot slim, but at least me never go up on a table for blood clot time and me look way better than blood clot. Move this. I tell a girl no more than me. You could have wear Dior for sure, Gucci for Givenchy, Pretti for Louis Vuitton for Louis Vuitton, Givenchy for Louis Vuitton, Dubai for Dubai. Move on the blood clot. No more me, girl. I'm not going to on a table 4 times. Move this. Move the dirty blood clot. You go up on the table 4 times and you don't make no blood clot sense. And you have words with pure blood clot, girl. Move this. You can't body shame me a blood clot on this. Me love this. Me love this. And you can't make me feel shame of my blood clot self. And that me I tell you no. Anyways, back to the segment. I'm going to wrap up your blood clot. You don't make no money at the party. Like I said, only way you can come blood clot win this. And when you come on the internet and show with Paris College Fund, bitch. Go clock in. Go clean some blood clot shit. Go back to your regular job. I'm begging now work for your blood clot. I want to wrap up your blood clot. Well, I know. I'm going to wrap up your blood clot. You have to take a pull out of my cigarette. And you think say you alone, the fire have loud blood clot mouth. You don't have loud mouth, girl. You don't have loud mouth, and you alone have loud mouth. And then you alone have loud blood clot mouth. Done with this now. Wrap this up now. Wrap this up. How the girl must pay now tell you the blood clot truth. Wrap this up now. Wrap this up now. Wrap it up, man.
She know that her son don't have $1, and she knows that any gift when me go care come, it go come from me. So that hurt her. But here what should have hurt her too? It should have hurt her when me send on my barrel them and him pack a bag of food them go gear and she name them. That should have hurt her too. Move on a blood clot. Since you don't want to bust it. That should have, you shouldn't eat from me. You shouldn't take nothing out of my barrel. You shouldn't, when we carry my food them and my rice and my oil and my ketchup and my sausage and my, you shouldn't want nothing out of my barrel. If you still have that gift there from 2 years ago, if Bobby's I can bust it up on me, all I barrel them will come to Jamaica, your son shouldn't pack no bag and care come give you for eat. Move your blood clot. You don't always go like you don't want to come by me.
My people, I want to tell more I think because I go say this scene, this way is a new law. You see me I said this is a new law, my people. Because I don't think the G Mada ever come out on social media and say anything about her. You see me I say she refer to a person named barbzchannel, right? Must be the girl where me just feature on the channel, right? A while ago before K seen, maybe a she come say something more the mother say. You understand me I say, and then figure say, you see when it come to food, my people, me hear this long time say never you cuss a person using food. You understand me? Yeah, because you don't know where you might reach in a life, and that is the stuff of life. That is an essential thing where everybody must have, you know what I mean, in order to survive. You see me? So you can use something else but don't use that. And on a level our son is a you know say is a third party she get it from, and I like say you send it come give her directly, you give her son give him mother. You know what I mean? But let me know what I think the people make watch some more.
You know what you shouldn't do neither? You shouldn't drive back in my car when me the cuss you and tell you say all the man will eat me stop driving on my blood clad car. You see anytime your son used to come pick you up and you going on my car front, you shouldn't go in there. Cause remember say you eat me. That's how I can tell you say me and Uno and the same thing. Cause when me eat girl, me done with girl. You know notice? You know notice? Not even my panty me no left in a bathroom. Me never eat fryer yet. Come no man, cause no couldn't price me and kill me. Remember, say if your son no cook, even if your son cook, I'm yard and can't come give me dough, eat it, come me not trust you. Ask him. You're wicked. You can't. Remember, say, you know, I saw you used to say, my favorite daughter-in-law is you wise him up, is you do this and you do that. And tell the people them the raw blood clot truth. The reason why the whole family turned against me is because when the little girl thief my green bag and come in my house and go home to Jamaica and tell her mother, say, oh, she take care of my baby, I'm never PR. And I know say, me never did go up on the media with it. But me never did go up on the media with it. But when she walk a Spanish town and tell everybody, say, my son a handicap, I'm a come on TikTok, can rub out her blood clot and she thief my bag. This is, if since all I want to know why the family hate me, that is how the hate start. From that day, the mother don't talk back to me because she called me and said, leave the little girl alone because she's a child. You see, from me cuss for me bag and cuss about me pitney, the whole blood clot family come against me. Uno come near me. Because me hate uno. I'm tired of uno. Every day I want to send out one new blood clot member to come take me on. I want to have Avengers and me alone. Black Panther and a blood clot. Me a Black Panther. Me say me a must Black Panther because all Avengers do not send out for me. Every day is a new person. Me go find a blood clot suit. You know say me a go up. Hey, me say me not find a Black Panther suit tomorrow. Me not name K. Send me a link off of Amazon. I'm have to go do it. Me have to go turn Chadwick girl for true. Me have to be Black Panther.